Hey guys, it's me Stace. I'm back again today with another Cricut video, and today we are doing our Make It On Monday project, and we are making this adorable 3D bunny. See him? All the layers and dimension he has, a lot of fun and really easy. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alright, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com. You will see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on sign in. On this screen, I'm just going to scroll down until I find a category, and the first one for me is cards. So I'm going to go ahead and click on View All. Upper right hand corner where it says Cards, we're going to click on that and then go down and click on Holidays. In the search box, we're going to type in the word Bunny and then click on Enter. And the project we are making is the 3D Bunny. I'm going to click on that. It'll bring up a preview window and click on Customize. Now I did not resize this. I cut it out the same exact way it appears in Design Space. So there's our piece there. Upper right hand corner, click on Make It. You will need 5 mats for the bunny. So we have mat 1, mat 2, mat 3, 4, and then 5. I'm going to click on Continue, cut these out with a table, and put our bunny together. Alright, all of our pieces are cut out. The first thing I'm going to do is kind of separate them. There should be 2 of each one. So we have that big piece. This one here. I think it's much easier to separate. So I can pick them up. 2 of those. Okay, now we're good. So you want to start off with this piece here, the one that has the tail on it. So we're going to kind of move these out of the way so you can see. Now we're just going to take our glue. I'm using art glitter glue. I get it from madeit.com, and put glue all over this piece. Now we're just going to line these 2 up. And they used, in Cricut Design Space, they used glitter cardstock. You can certainly use that. I'm just using regular white cardstock. All right, now we're going to start with our next layer. So it's this piece here. Okay, now you want to flip this over and use foam squares. I'm using these ones, these 3D foam squares. I get them from Made It. I like these because they have the large and the small, but whatever foam squares you have is fine. Because you're going to put these, a lot of them, between each layer as you're going. And that's what's going to give it dimension. I'm not going to pause or fast forward so you guys can see in real time how this works. Okay, I gave all them a squish. Take the backing off. And you can certainly change the colors. You can make this be a chocolate bunny, a gray bunny, a brown bunny. And we're going to take this one and lay it on top of this one. And you want to line the bottom up. Okay, just give it a light little push. Flip it over to the back side. And again, I'm going to make sure it's going the right way. Flip it over and grab our foam squares again. Okay, give them a squish. I'm going to lay that one on top of this one. Again, lining up the bottom. Okay. All right, our next layer, you're just going to basically go from biggest to smallest. Now we have this layer here. That's going to go, this part here is the front foot. That's going to go like that. So I'm going to flip it over. Grab more of those foam squares. If you want to, you can add pink under the ears, or you can add an eye. I just kept it pretty simple. Again, you want to have that piece there in the front. Line up the bottom. Okay, flip it over. Always double check, make sure you're going the right way, so you put your foam squares on the right side. little squish. This would be fun for the little ones to help you with. You can kind of pre-mark them, you know, like put an X on this side and give the little ones all these pieces. They can put your foam squares on for you. All right, now we have the leg. So it's gonna go like that. Flip it over this way. This is where those little guys come in handy. So it might be worthwhile either getting these foam squares or just getting a thing of foam tape. You can cut it as you need it. Okay, line up that piece with the back. Okay, we're going to do the front leg while we're here as well. That's going to get lined up with that piece right there. Okay, do the backing off. Line it up. I'm going to flip it over and do the other side. And just double check, make sure they're all going the right direction, flip them over. It actually goes by pretty quickly, I think. Okay, and again, line up the back leg at the bottom. This would be really cute as well, cut out a chipboard, then you can save it for an Easter decoration year after year because it will last. Okay, all right, now we have the pieces that go on top of the legs. Go ahead and grab them. The large one goes there. I'm going to flip it over. I think on that one I'm going to use 2. Then we have this one, just again, double check to make sure you're putting the foam squares on the right pieces. Okay, flip it over. You can see it goes by pretty quickly, right? You can also ink all the edges. I think that would give the bunny more dimension. Okay, all right, now we have the ears. So there are 2 of these and 2 of these. You want to make sure you get these lined up. They do go on a certain way. You can see that one doesn't fit, so you want to flip it over, just get it to where it lines up. And this one's going to be that one. Oops, I dropped it on the floor, hang on. Okay, make sure you get them lined up the right way. Now when you look at your bunny, you want to line this curve up, or the curve actually goes on the bottom. Okay, that curve there, so you just line this part up with the top of your bunny like that. All right, so we're going to flip it over. I'm going to put some foam squares on this guy. Again, each layer you want to put your foam squares. Okay, and then carefully line it up. Okay, I'm going to flip it over, and you only want to put foam squares on that part here. Okay, just this section right there. I'll just do 3. Give them a squish, get the backing off. This is where I was saying, if you want to put, you know, cut out a piece of black cardstock to put here and a piece of pink cardstock to put there, you certainly can do that. And just line it up with the top of the bunny. Just follow the curve of his face. Okay, let's do this guy. So again, you want to make sure they're going the same direction. Okay, give him a squish, get the backing off, and we're just about done. How cute would he be in a little one's Easter basket? Or just to give to a friend to brighten their day. Okay, that's lined up, and again, just put your foam squares on the larger section here. Give them a squish, take the backing off. Okay, now you want to get it lined up with the one behind it. And if you want to, you could double up your foam squares here. So I'm going to put one in there, take the backing off, put another one on top, take the backing off, and then just close that shut so those ears stay together. But you can see all the dimension in them. Really, really cute. All right, let's go ahead and tie a bow around his neck. I'm just using this cheap ribbon. I think I got it from the Dollar Tree. This is the hardest part. Is tying a bow, because I hold them on in my legs. That's in my lap. That's how I did it. To make it a little bit easier. But we're going to go ahead and try it this way so you guys can see. Just make sure your ribbon is straight. Tie it into a bow. Okay, then just fix your loops. Okay, then cut off the extra. I'm just going to fix my loop on this side. There you have it. Now, if you did get all this lined up, he should stand for you. Okay, super cute. All right, guys, there you have it, our Make It on Monday project. That bunny and that bunny. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.